What's up guys, Garrett here with Selftaughdev. I just want to do a little update on where I'm at. I finished the employee directory project here, threw it up on the website. Let's see. So yeah, got all the employees here. You click on them, gives you a little pop-up card of them. You can click next, cycle through all 12, go back through all 12. And then there's also a search button here where you can search for employees and it'll filter by the letters in their name. Or email address or state. Actually, no, I think it's just name. But yeah, so got that done. Next project here is something on Node.js. Let's see here, Team Treehouse. I think I basically have to, like, it's not actually like a website thing. It's like a content scraper. E-commerce. Yeah, I basically have to like scrape data from this web page, make it so all my dependencies are packaged in this JSON file, and then npm install my JSON file will install all the dependencies so that the scraper will work. So not a project like what I've done before, but it's gonna be interesting. I don't feel like I have a strong grasp on Node.js after watching the videos, so I might have to watch them again. Probably might take a little while to get it done. But yeah, there's that. I think I'm gonna move to Dallas. I've been saying it. I need to do it. I think I'm gonna move September 1st or October 1st, whatever. Because applying, like I said in the last video, applying for jobs on Indeed and stuff, I don't feel like that's the way to get a job. I have to be able to go to meetups and meet people, and yeah, I feel like that and getting like a referral or something like that's the way to do it. Also, I've been live streaming. You've probably seen it, but I'm live streaming my free code camp project stuff here. Wanted to start getting those done just so I can throw those free code camp certifications on my resume, my portfolio. Still doing the whiteboard. Still need to babble everything on my website, make it responsive, and make sure it works in Internet Explorer and Google Chrome or Firefox. It works in Google Chrome. Google Chrome's the best. If you don't use Google Chrome, go install it right now, and then go to ghuse13.com. But I think that's about it for today. I never worn a button-up shirt on my recordings before. It's because I'm about to go to work. Yep, I think that's it. So leave any comments, questions down in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Peace.